Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Roblox credit on Robux. First, open the Roblox website or app on your device. Navigate to the Robux purchase page, which is usually found by clicking the Robux icon or a Buy Robux button. Once there, you will see various Robux packages available for purchase. Select the specific amount of Robux you wish to acquire, perhaps 800 or 1,700 Robux, to proceed with your transaction. After selecting your desired Robux package, you'll be presented with several payment options. Look carefully for the Roblox credit option among them. It's crucial to ensure that your Roblox account has sufficient credit to cover the cost of the Robux you're buying. Double-check the amount of Robux you are purchasing, for example, 400 Robux, to confirm it matches your selection before moving forward. With Roblox credit selected as your payment method, you'll then need to review your order details one final time. This step is important to ensure everything is correct, including the Robux amount and the total cost. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit Order or Pay Now button to finalize your purchase. Your newly acquired Robux, whether it's 80 or 10,000, should be added to your account almost instantly, ready for use. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't worry. First, verify your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Sometimes, a simple refresh can resolve minor glitches. For persistent problems, it's best to contact Roblox support directly. They can provide specific assistance. Always check your transaction history within your account settings for confirmation of your purchase, ensuring your Robux have been successfully delivered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.